Save the internet. Copy me, culture is unfuckable. Copyright and copyright, who's the real tyrant?
Copyright and copyright, who's the real tyrant?
Copyright and copyright, who's the real liar?
Copyright and copyright, who's the real liar?
Introduced Playboy in 1953. Hefner is considered by many to be the hero of the sexual revolution. Hugh Hefner, he said, "The rabbit, the bunny, in America has a sexual meaning, and I chose it because it's a fresh animal, shy, vivacious, jumping, sexy. First it smells you, then it escapes, then it comes back, and you feel like caressing it, playing with it. A girl resembles a bunny, joyful, joking. Consider the kind of girl that we made popular, the Playboy of the month. She is never sophisticated, a girl you cannot really have. She is a young, healthy, simple girl, the girl next door. We are not interested in the mysterious, difficult woman, the femme fatale who wears elegant underwear with lace, and she is sad and somehow mentally filthy. The Playboy girl has no lace, no underwear. She is naked, well washed with soap and water, and she is happy."